A warm good morning to everyone. Today I would like to speak on a topic, know the job before you do the job. So this topic may sound very simple, but it is a very interesting topic. So it has a very deep meaning in our personal and professional life. So in easy words, it means that the before starting any work, we should understand it properly. We should know what the job is, how to do it, and what results we are expecting from it. So in today's fast moving world, many people are in hungry. They want to start quickly and finish quickly. But in the process they forgot one important step, which is understanding the job before of it. They make mistakes, waste times, and sometimes even fail it. So first of all, knowing the job is can give us confidence, and when we understand our work clearly, we feel more comfortable. We don't feel lost or confused. For example, when a student knows the exam pattern and syllabus, they perform better in exams. So similarly in a job, when we know our responsibility, we can perform with confidence. Secondly, it helps us to save time and effort. If we start a task with a proper knowledge and we may do it in a wrong way, so then we have to correct it again, which wastes times and energy. But when we understand the job before starting, we can do it correctly in the first attempt. This makes us more efficient and more confident. Another important point is that to improve our performance and quality of the work, when we know what is expecting from us, we can focus better on what the to give the better results. So companies and organization always prefer employees who understand their roles clearly and work smartly. Also, knowing the job is helps to reduce stress and pressure. Many people feel stressed and uh, at workplace before they don't know exactly what to do. They keep asking others or keep guessing, but when it gives them clarity, they feel relaxed and focused. We can handle our work in a better way. Let's understand it in a simple example. Imagine a person who is given a task to sell a product, but he does not know about the product feature or customer needs. uh, will he will be able to sell it? No. But if he understand the product, its benefits, and the customer problem, then he can easily convince the customers. This show how important it is to know the job before doing it. Another example can be a new employee in a company. If it takes proper training, asks question, and observe others, he will learn quickly and perform well. But if he ignores learning and directly start working, he may face difficulties in our daily life. Also, this concept is very useful. Whether it is cooking food, playing a sport, or even driving a vehicle, we first learn to understand and then we perform in the same way. So the same rules apply everywhere in a professional life, especially in field like business, sales, and management. Understanding the job is very important. For example, in sales, you must know your product, your market, and your customers. Without this knowledge, success is very difficult. So uh, so I can say in another example also. uh, let's say new employee in a company, if he takes a proper training, asks question, and observe others, he will learn quickly and perform well. But if he ignores learning and directly start working, he may face difficulty in our daily life. It This concept is very useful. Whether it is cooking food, playing a sport, or even driving a vehicle, we first learn and understand, and then we perform. The same rule applies everywhere in professional life, especially in a field like uh, sales role and management. Understanding the job is very important. For example, in sales, you must know your product, your market, your customers, Without this knowledge, the success is very difficult.